and welcome back to Viet Flavours. Today, we're preparing a bowl of pure comfort, pork bone and Daikon radish soup. This dish is incredibly easy to make, yet it offers an elegant, soothing flavor that is perfect for a chilly winter day or anytime you need a soul-warming meal. Before we begin, let's go over what you'll need for this recipe. 900 grams of pork neck bones, 350 grams of Daikon radish, peeled and cut into large chunks, 1 medium carrot, peeled and sliced. A quick note, the carrot is entirely optional. While the Daikon is the star of the show, I love to include a few slices of carrot just to add a beautiful pop of color to the clear broth. 4 thick slices of ginger, 2 to 3 whole shallots, 1 green onion, and a small bunch of cilantro for garnish. And for seasoning, salt, white pepper, and a touch of rock sugar. Let's get started. We'll start by soaking the pork bones in cold water for about 30 minutes to draw out any blood, then drain. You might wonder why we take the time to soak the bones in cold water first. This step is essential for drawing out the residual blood and marrow trapped inside the pork bones. By doing this, we ensure that when we eventually simmer the soup, the broth remains clear, clean, and free of any gamey odors or dark, cloudy residue. It's the secret to achieving that professional, crystal clear finish. Next, place the bones into a soup pot. Cover with water and bring it to a boil. Let them blanch for about 10 minutes. You'll notice quite a bit of foam and impurities rising to the surface. Once done, remove the bones and rinse them thoroughly under running water. Gently scrubbing to clean off any remaining residue. And don't forget to wash the pot as well. We'll be using the same one to build our soup. Now, return the cleaned pork bones to the pot along with the ginger and shallots. Pour in enough water to fully cover the bones. Keep in mind that some liquid will evaporate during cooking. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring the pot to a boil over medium-high heat and skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Then, reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer gently for 1.5 to 2 hours, partially covered, until the broth becomes rich and the meat is tender. The beauty of this soup is that you don't need to prep everything ahead of time. You can easily use the simmering time to prepare the rest of your ingredients. Since I've already chopped the root vegetables, I'm just going to finely chop the green onions and some cilantro now. We'll set these aside to use as a fresh garnish later on. About 1.5 hours has passed, so let's check back in on our soup. Wow, look at that. It is coming along beautifully. The pork has become incredibly tender, and you can see some of the meat just starting to pull away from the bones. At this stage, we'll add the daikon and carrots into the pot. Let everything simmer together for another 25 to 30 minutes, just until the vegetables are tender but still hold their shape. Season with some additional salt, a bit of rock sugar, and a dash of white pepper to suit your taste. Finally, turn off the heat and let the soup rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to settle and harmonize perfectly. It's time to serve. Ladle the soup into a serving bowl, making sure to get plenty of those tender pork bones and vibrant vegetables. Garnish with a fresh sprinkle of green onions and cilantro and serve it while it's piping hot. Enjoy your pork bone and daikon radish soup. It's the perfect taste of home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. Thanks for watching Viet Flavors, and I'll see you next time.